Installing railing on a new deck is an excellent time to add some decor deck lighting to your space. Planning out your lights and cables to coincide with your railing can lead to a gorgeous setup with less stress. The best way to save time, money, and your peace of mind is by sketching out a basic lighting plan. First, start by outlining your deck and sketching in approximately where your posts and rails will be mounted. It's important to have accurate measurements of your deck and railing to determine the wire lengths you will need. Second, draw on the transformer you'll be using next to your nearest electrical outlet, and then mark in all of the light fixtures where you'll be installing them. Next, determine exactly how many T-splitters or quick connect hubs you will need to power your lights. As you move along your deck, remember that T-splitters can only power 2 lights, while quick connect hubs can operate a total of 5 lights. For bigger projects, these pieces can also be connected to another hub to power more lights. To identify the amount of hubs you'll need, depict one wire from each light attaching to the connector piece. Lastly, identify if any additional lengths of cable are needed to accomplish your setup. With each Dekor transformer, a 20-foot quick connect wire is provided, allowing the transformer to both be tucked under sight and still have enough wire to begin your circuits. All Dekor lights will come with a 6-inch pigtail and a 5-foot extension cable. If your included 5-foot cable cannot reach your nearest hub, simply use a plug-and-play splice connector and a Quick Connect extension cable to make the connection. The Quick Connect extension cable is available in 5, 10, 20, 40, and 60-foot lengths, and is also what's used to connect hubs together to run larger lighting projects. These splitters, hubs, and cables can easily be hidden within posts, post sleeves, and rails, while the Quick Connect hub may also be screwed in under your decking. Once you have outlined all of your lights attached to hubs, and all of the hubs have been linked to the power source, you've got a complete lighting plan. Achieve the deck lighting you want by having a clear vision of the end result before buying anything. You can do it, and we're here to help at DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Jamie, and I'm part of the customer experience team here at DecksDirect. Feel free to call us with any questions about this video or any other deck questions you might have. We're always helping people build better decks.